Hey everyone, it's Connor from Koyfin. Today I'm going to be talking about navigating Koyfin through hotkeys or shortcuts as they're otherwise known. And I'm also going to be showing you how you can create your own custom hotkeys to access your favorite charts and dashboards quickly. We use hotkeys throughout the Koyfin system. So here on the splash page of Koyfin Today's Markets, you can see on the left-hand side navigation, we have these 2 to 3 letter abbreviations for the feature that you're on. Today's markets is now, market news is top, market movers is move, my watch list is MWY, and so on. You'll see these hotkeys featured throughout most of the navigation in dashboards, in the market dashboards that we provide, in analytics, and just about any feature that's present on this left-hand side navigation, all of the snapshots as well. Now, to navigate directly to these hotkeys, what you can do is press the forward stroke key on your keypad, like so. This opens up the search box inside of Koyfin, and you have a few different ways of navigating here. If you press forward slash once more time, you'll be able to then type in a hotkey, which will take you to a specific area within Koyfin. So if I type in MWY and press enter, I'm now going to be redirected to the watch list feature. Alternatively, if I press forward slash once more time and I put in a ticker this time, like Apple, and then I hit enter, and then I put the feature such as actuals and consensus so I can see some of the forward estimates and then hit enter again, I'm now going to navigate to the actuals and consensus page inside of Koyfin. Over time, as you learn these shortcuts, you'll be able to navigate through Koyfin much quicker without the use of a mouse. Let's just do a couple more examples for fun. So now I'm on Apple. Let's say that I want to look for the transcripts for Apple. I'll type in Apple, enter, TS, enter, and I'm taken right there. Alternatively, if I want to now look at my model portfolios, I can press forward slash again, type in MP, and I'll jump straight to that page. If at any point you can't remember the hotkey, let's just show you an example again. So I'm going to press forward slash, I'm going to type in Apple, enter. If I don't remember the hotkey for actuals and consensus, I can just type that in and it will take me to that snapshot as well. So the nice thing about these hotkeys is that you can actually create your own in the Koyfin system as well. So I'm going to show you 3 different ways to do that, and then we'll have you on your way. So the first thing I'm going to do here is type in forward slash again, G. This will take me to the historical price graph inside of Koyfin. Now what I'm going to do is create a chart template. So let's just create an example of one here. I have a few saved. So let's look at equity valuations. This is one I created earlier. It shows me the PE, EV to EBIT, and price to sales with the mean statistical band attached there. I'm going to create one from scratch. So let's delete these metrics. What I'm going to do is type in the Bollinger Bands. I'm just going to type in all 3 of the data series that we have available for that. So now I have those on the charts. At this point, I can make some aesthetic changes here as well. So if I open the indicator settings, I can change all the colors of everything, the length, the standard deviations. And I'll have similar formatting options for the other 2 metrics that I've chosen as well. But for now, I'm just going to leave these as they are. I like this setup. I want to view this many times for different securities, and I want quick access to it. So I'm going to save this as a chart template, call it my Bollinger Bands. And here in this save window, I'm going to add a shortcut. And for me, I want it to be BOLL. So now I've saved that. Now let's navigate somewhere else in Koyfin. Let's go to watch list again. If I want to quickly pull up the Starbucks Bollinger Bands, all I have to do is press forward slash Starbucks, enter, and I'll type in the hotkey that I've created, Bollinger Bands, and it's going to take me right there with that chart template already set up. Now, another area that you can create hotkeys for is the dashboards. So dashboards, unlike our market dashboards, which are pre-populated with data, the market dashboard allows you to create your own dashboard setup. So here's an example of one, but let's go ahead and create a new one. So let's say I want a dashboard for that Bollinger setup that I created. Call this technicals. I'll get started with a blank dashboard here, and I'm going to create a shortcut code. And because it's a dashboard for Bollinger, I'm going to call it dbol. So let's create a new dashboard. Let's populate some things in it. Here's a watch list table. Now let's add a chart. And we'll press this little drop down here to add our Bollinger Bands. And now we might want a news feed as well. So obviously you can get a lot more fancy with this dashboard. I'm just showing you this as an example. So we've created this dashboard. If I click on the left-hand side navigation, you can see it's called technicals and the shortcut is dball. So once again, let's navigate somewhere else and let's find that dashboard. So I'm going to press forward stroke. I'm going to press forward stroke one more time and then type in dball, hit enter, and I'm taken straight to my dashboard. Lastly, I'll show you how you can use this in financial analysis as well. So we're filtered on Starbucks here. I'm going to go down to FA section for financial analysis, and we'll start here on the highlights tab. So all of these tabs are pre-made. You get these when you create a Koyfin account, but you do also have the ability to create your own custom FA templates if you prefer to look at the financials a slightly different way. So all I'm going to do is hit add new here. And like the dashboard, you have the ability to set up a shortcut. So I'm just going to call this one Connor, and I'm going to give it a name, my template, and I'll hit save there. I won't spend the time creating a template. We do have videos for that, but let's go ahead and just add a couple of date series here, total revenues, and I'll just click a few random ones from this selection. And when you're happy with your view, you can save that as a template. Now it's saved in the Koyfin system. And for the last time, let's navigate somewhere else. Let's press forward stroke again. And I'm going to type in Connor, and we can see that we get my FA template as the output. I'll hit enter, and now I'm taken directly to that template. Similarly, if you want to change the view, you could just do this in the left-hand side, but if you are somewhere else in the Koyfin system, you can always press / a ticker, enter, and then type in the hotkey for your FA template, press enter, and it will switch that view up for you. So that does it for this video. I just wanted to highlight how you can use these shortcuts to navigate around Koyfin more seamlessly and faster. As always, if you have any comments, drop them in the comment section below. Our help desk is help@koyfin.com. We are at Koyfin Charts across all of our socials. Until next time, thank you.